Hi, I'm Bill Gebhardt, founder and executive director here at 10 Dynamics. Welcome to episode 2 of Thoughts from the Machine. Today we'll recap April 2024 key market movements, both up and down, as well as how the model has been responding to this data. So last month, mid and long-term interest rates in the US continued to move higher. It was a good sector for trend following strategies. Since then, however, our model has noted a more neutral stance on interest rates. So could this be an area of stabilization? Well, we'll see, but our model is currently leaning that way. Another area that's been getting attention is the European energy space, which at the beginning of this year had a well-established bearish trend for the first 2 months, but that trend has now clearly been broken. Markets like European gas have formed a very large volatile range, causing some talk of maybe a potential new bull market in energy. Maybe some traders are hoping for another big move like we saw a few years ago. Well, we don't see much evidence for that for the time being. Our model is showing low confidence in a new trend developing in that sector. So finally, in commodities, April's standout was cocoa. If you're watching the video podcast, you'll see the Financial Times chart of cocoa on the screen. It shows how a small reversal in late March was perhaps the best opportunity to buy before it continued to rally to new highs. It crossed over 10,000 for the first time ever, a more than 150% price increase. In fact, SocGen's systematic model portfolio showed that cocoa is the single biggest contributor to trend following profits so far in 2024. Now, this is a good example of how every market can have a dramatic shift in fundamentals, even those that have historically not had a lot of opportunities in the past for trend following. This is why we apply our model to as many markets as possible. So that's it for this month's recap. If you're a professional investor and would like to receive our detailed monthly fact sheets, please reach out to enquiries@10dynamics.com and we'll add you to the distribution list. So throughout 2024, we'll be publishing more video and audio content focused on trend following and systematic investing. So make sure to subscribe on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Until then, if you enjoyed this episode, please like it, comment below, and make sure to share it with a friend or colleague. Thanks for listening. And we'll see you next time on more Thoughts from the Machine.